You guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. My umbrella looks good and it's dandy. I will bring my umbrella to my old school today because you never know, it might rain all day. So, yeah, it's raining right now. Want to not get my legs wet, I have shorts on now. I did have pants on. Took them off because my shorts wasn't dry this morning. So now it's raining. We might get like a couple downpours or so. Unsafe and dry because of this. Because it won't get me wet. So God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of your day.